Hello and welcome back to Northern Waters Cleansing Co.'s YouTube channel. If you follow me on Instagram, then you would have seen a little while back that I got a new bath bomb press. And if you haven't seen this pneumatic bath bomb press in action, then I would say you're in for a treat today. The bath bomb press is a huge lifesaver for me. Don't get me wrong, I still enjoy doing hand-pressed bath bombs, and I actually have a few new molds coming, so you're going to be seeing some new designs coming up in the near future, I would say. But in terms of efficiency, hands down, the bath bomb press is just amazing. There's like really no comparison to hand pressed molds. So to give you sort of an idea, if I'm doing hand pressed molds, I can probably get about 8 bath bombs done in, sort of a 15-minute kind of zone. When I use the bath bomb press, I can get 8 done in like 5 minutes, not even that. So it's exponentially faster and has improved my efficiency. So, it's helpful when you're a one-woman show like me. You need to improve your efficiency wherever you can. So anyways, you're going to be seeing a couple of videos coming up in the near future where I'm using the bath bomb press and just knocking out a whole bunch of spherical bath bombs. The first one that you're going to see today is what I'm calling my mystery bath bomb. And so usually with this bath bomb, I either put a toy inside or different colored embeds so that when you actually throw the bath bomb into your bath, it's a mystery what's going to come out of it. This one's really popular with kids, and I scented it in the Baby Sharks fragrance oil. This is a new fragrance from Candora Soap. It's a little bit sticky, and so it means I have to jack up the oil in my bath bomb recipe. I hope that you stick around and watch this video. If you don't already subscribe to my channel and you enjoy what you see here, then please consider subscribing. Perhaps give me a thumbs up, a like, and feel free to leave me a comment down below. I love responding to all the comments. Based on the comments I received on the 36 pounds of Coco Cabana soap that I made not too long ago, I'm going to do a video to show you how you can very easily and inexpensively calculate your cost of goods sold. No expensive software required. It's really straightforward, super important when you're a small business that you understand all these different nuances of your business and that you are pricing your products accordingly. So I'm working on that video. It will be coming up soon. I know a bunch of you are looking forward to seeing that. So anyways, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye for now.